All right, this is a Genie TZ50 tow behind boom lift with the drive feature. So this machine will drive forwards, backwards. It'll make turns. It also has the Honda engine on it to recharge the batteries in the event that they need recharging. You just turn that engine on and it will recharge them. The one thing you want to do with this machine is make sure you're using the blue and yellow buttons on the control panels to describe when you want to go up and down. So when you're going down, like the outriggers going down, you use yellow, and then you mash the button for the outrigger that you want to go down. You'll see the second arrow pointing at each outrigger and changing to the next one as we get those lowered. And then, as you can imagine, if you wanted them to come up, you would use the blue button, and we'll show that later in the clip. All the control panels are pretty similar. They all have ultimately the same map on them. Again, anytime something is going down, you'll use the yellow. So right now we're hitting the yellow button and then hitting the auto level button and holding that down until you hear the long tone or beep that tells you the machine is level and it is ready to be used. Make sure you turn the switch from ground controls to basket controls, otherwise you won't be able to use the machine from the basket. So we've got that switched over. And since we're going up, we are holding down the blue button and then hitting the button that corresponds with the section of the boom that we want to be raised. This clip is slightly sped up just to keep the video short. So it might seem like it's in a little bit faster motion, but you'll see here we're going to telescope out. Again, you're going up or out, so you're using blue, and then coming back in, you're switching to yellow and telescoping back in. And then last but not least, you want to bring it back down to its original position. You will lock the latches before towing it. You always want to lock the latches that keep the boom down in a compact position, and then release the park brake, which is on the tongue, before you tow it. But probably best to not release that park brake until you get it hooked up to your truck, just to avoid this thing rolling away on you. But again, you'll see we're mashing the blue button and then hitting the corresponding button for each outrigger to bring them up individually. This is the recommended way to do it when bringing them up or lowering them to the ground. That Genie will recommend to do them one at a time. And once you get all of the outriggers up into the upright position, it is ready to go. As usual, contact information will be at the end of this clip. So if you ever have any questions or would like to reach out to us directly for details on a specific machine, just give us a call. Thanks for watching.